Mama Neely is joining me. Where's Mama? Mama, come on, come on, come on. Y'all are ready for a big surprise because Mama Neely is here, y'all. She's at the house. Hey, baby.
Hey, sweetie.
I am so happy.
Hey,
happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, Mama, because you're here.
Yes.
I'm
happy to be here.
Sometimes I get a little lonely in this kitchen, you know, and now I don't have to worry about it. So, Mama, what we throwing down with today, baby?
We're going to make my famous socket to me cake.
Holy Jesus, y'all. Did y'all hear that? Mama is going to make her famous socket to me cake. Mama, how we start? Tell me what's up. I'm your assistant,
okay.
So you walk me through what we're doing.
Well, okay, I want you to put the ingredients as
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
So first we're going to put in the eggs.
The eggs go in first?
Yes.
So we got 4 eggs.
Right.
That's just going right in.
Yeah.
You know, this is a little bit different than, because typically, you know, like your mama used to make,
yeah.
She would cream the sugar and the
yes.
eggs and butter.
And yes.
Right. So we got 4 eggs right in.
Yeah.
All right, then what's next, Ma?
The oil.
So we got about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
All right, that's in. All right, what else?
You put the sour cream.
All right, so we had what? Was this 1.25 cups of sour cream? Wasn't it?
1 cup of sour cream.
1 cup. Okay.
Yes.
That's on there.
Yes, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what's left?
Your flour.
All right. So we've got some flour.
Sugar.
We got some sugar.
And your golden butter cake mix.
So, Mom, you know, because we're making so much, we used to just buy it by the truckloads. We already have the cake mix, and it's a store-bought. Get your store-bought butter, golden
butter.
Golden butter.
Cake mix.
All right. So we got all of that in. Now what we do, Mom?
Now you're going to mix it.
We're gonna mix it.
Yeah.
So I believe I got the right.
You could use
Beat
either
it?
one.
Is this one?
Either one.
So this one will work?
Yeah,
All
that
right.
one will work.
So we put this on.
Yeah.
There we go.
You twist it.
And twist it. Now. I know I was doing something. Okay. So now we go down.
Yeah. And you're gonna start it off at about a 2 until it gets mixed, until it mixes.
Okay.
And then you
crank it up?
Crank it up. And let it beat for about 4 minutes.
Okay. I used to love this cake, y'all. And I'm gonna tell you something about this cake. Not only is it a great dessert, but it's really like a great coffee cake in the morning.
Yes, it is.
I used to come in my restaurant early in the morning. I'd take me one of them. I wouldn't get the whole slice, but I'd get like half of it. Shoot that baby in the microwave.
For a few seconds and...
Lord, how I miss it. All right, Mom, it's mixing pretty
crank it
good.
up.
Crank it up to about what?
6. And let it beat for about 4 minutes.
All right, Mom, what it look like?
It's looking good.
You think we're about ready to turn it off?
Yes, turn it off.
All right. It's been about 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Uh-oh, my doggone. I tell you, this doggone thing here, y'all can tell I don't bake no whole lot. I don't. All right, Mom. So we got that ready. We're going to do the streusel.
Yes.
Am I saying it right?
Strudel.
Strudel.
Uh-huh.
Well,
Mix it up. Not these. Just your
Okay.
flour, your cinnamon, and your brown sugar. Mix
This ain't flour, is it, Mom?
I mean cake mix.
Yeah, so y'all, she got a little extra cake mix that is going in. And then we got some brown sugar.
Oh, yes.
And then we got some cinnamon. All right. So we stir this before we put the nuts in?
Yes. Mix it well.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the fruit.
Yeah, okay. It smells good.
Mm-hmm.
So, Mama, how did you learn how to bake?
My mother had me at the kitchen table when I was 11 years old, cooking. And then when I got in high school, I took home economics, and I cooked, and I just love. I got a taste for cooking, and I've been cooking ever since. I love cooking.
But Mama, you never passed on baking to me. I don't bake a lot. mean, I can throw down on the grill and
But
get
it's,
this
it's,
kitchen
it's,
stuff.
I mean, it's simple. All you have to do if you go get a recipe
Yes, ma'am.
and go step by step, and you can bake. It's not that you can't bake. It's just that you don't bake, but you can bake.
Yes, ma'am.
If you can get out there and make that barbecue and all, you can bake. There's no such thing as I can't.
Okay. So now I put my pecans in now.
No.
Okay.
You gotta put your cake mix, half of the cake mix
Yes, ma'am.
in the bottom of the pan.
All right. So
Lift it up.
y'all know what? I just gotta say this. So my mama came here to cook in the kitchen, but look who baking the cake. I thought my mama was gonna bake the cake, but she like it's school time, y'all. I'm actually in school.
You need to know how to bake it. I mean,
I understand.
because I'm not here all the time.
I know you're not, but I'm glad that you're here now. So now she said half of
the mixture goes
You
into
gotta
the
do-
pan.
I watched you.
You spread it
out.
evenly in the pan.
Yes, ma'am. My grandmother, Mama Daisy, oh Lord have mercy. She used to bake, and actually in my third cookbook, I have her triple layer chocolate cake.
Yeah.
That was my favorite.
Rise to that.
All right, so now what do we do, Ma?
Now you put your
Put this in? Do I just dump it in there or spoon it in or what?
You know, spread it evenly.
Well, show me one, Mama. Mess it up.
Do it like
Oh, okay. I thought you did something with a knife and stuff.
I am going to do it with a knife if you know, in a minute.
Okay.
Once I get it all spread on here.
Ooh, Lord, look who done showed up. Hey, Stinky, you wanna come over here with Grandmommy? You wanna come with Grandmommy?
Yeah, you want to cook with Grandmommy?
Let's see what Grandmommy doing. Oh, y'all, look who else joined. When I tell you, it's 3 generations. We got Mama Neely, you got Pat Neely, and we got Ariel Nicole. Look what Grandmama doing.
All right. Now,
Grandmama Neely?
this is what you do. You take your knife and do it like that.
Oh, okay.
That's what you call streusel.
No, it's not. Oh, it's gonna be good. Look what she's doing.
Yeah. There you go.
What Grandmama doing?
Yeah.
She
that's
is.
what you're doing. Yeah. You gotta cook too.
Yeah.
You a cook too.
So you just do it like that?
Yeah, and then you come back with your nuts.
Uh-huh.
And you just sprinkle them over there like that. You put plenty in there, like for everybody. You know, whenever you have a bite of the cake,
Yes, ma'am.
you'll have nuts.
Okay.
That's why you just kind of
Good,
put
Mama Neely doing?
plenty on here.
Yeah. We just
Spread it on top. There you go. Look at there. You see what Daddy's doing? Whoa. It's going to be a good cake. It'll be a good cake. She never seen anything like this.
Ariel. Girl, that used to be the good stuff, girl.
So now.
Should have gave respect.
You don't want, are you a girl? That was the best part. We used to take those beaters.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah. You might have some little edges out and all, but that's okay. When it rises, it'll still be okay. Yeah.
So it's like that?
Yeah.
All right, so now, Mom, I already did this for you. I preheated our oven at 350 degrees. We're gonna, pop this in?
Yeah.
And how long does it bake?
25 minutes.
About 25 minutes?
About 25 minutes. And it's according to your stove, your oven.
Mhm.
The way you know that it's done, when you take it out, if you get a toothpick and
I know that much.
In
And
the
you stick
center.
it in there in the center.
in the
And
center.
if it comes out clean,
it's done.
you're good to go.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, we're taking this in the oven, and in 20 to 25 minutes, we're gonna have Mama Neely's Sakatimi cake, but of course we gotta make our glaze as well. So we'll make our glaze while it's in the oven. All right, y'all, the cake is in the oven. It's still baking. So now, Mom, we have convection sugar, we got milk, and we got lemon juice. And this is for the icing.
It's really, it's not icing.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, it's just a dribble like, you know, you don't cover the whole cake. You kind of dribble it.
Kind of swirled it, did you, Mom?
It's
Did
like
you swirl it, Mom?
Yeah, it's like a glaze. It's more or less like a glaze as opposed to icing.
Yes, ma'am. So it's like a glaze, and
Yeah.
you swirl it.
Yeah, I swirl.
You still can swirl it?
So can.
We're going with the confection
Yes.
sugar, and we got 1.5 cups of confection sugar going right in,
Get lemon juice.
and milk.
Mm-hmm.
Both of these about 2 tablespoons.
And you want the consistency to be a little thick.
Thick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that much.
Yeah.
So then we close it down.
Yeah.
Start on low.
Yeah, start it on low.
About 2.
You can't mix it too much because it'll get too, you want it thick.
Yes, ma'am. You know, it's all over the place.
Yeah, and sometimes you might have to add a little more confection sugar if it's kind of, you know, it's not as
Too
thick.
too watery.
Too watery. You might have to add.
Or if it's too thick, you
Oh,
can
you have to add a little bit
milk.
more milk.
All right, is that
You don't
good?
You don't have to beat it much.
All right, so then we just let this up.
Yeah.
We got a spatula here. Ariel ought to be here to taste this. Now she would like this. All right. And then let's just leave it in there. And then I notice you used to always go around and get the
Yeah,
edges.
right. And mix it in. Yeah. It's gonna be great.
Okay. Now, so Mom, so we're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag so that we can just cut a corner on it and squeeze it out onto the cake.
Yes.
Will you hold that for me?
Sure.
But you can use, I remember you, Mom, you had like a squeeze bottle.
Yeah, I had a squeeze bottle. It was
Right.
easier for me because I had to do so much.
Right.
I mean, I had to make so much, so
You
I
just
had
push
the
that to
squeeze
the-
bottle.
The cake cooked about 20-25 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
We pulled it out. Mama always said, let it cool. We have taken our glaze, not icing, and we got it in a piping bag. So, Mom, what we do now? We cut it.
Yes.
I never hardly cut the cakes, y'all, in the days of the restaurant because, boy, you mess around and cut this cake wrong.
Oh, Lord.
And Mama Neely, you wasn't gonna see the real nice lady. So, Mama, why don't you get the knife? Cause I don't want to mess around.
All right,
And
I'll
show me
try.
how you cut it.
This and see, when I was making for the restaurant, of course, it was twice this size. Okay. Because I made more, I had to have more slices because
Yes, ma'am.
you know we sold them there. But at home here, you know, unless we're having a big party, you can double the recipe and it'll be a big cake.
Yeah. Okay.
Now,
Okay.
now you kind of we're going to icing it now.
Okay.
Use your
So
shrew.
we take this bag, and you don't have it, and we cut off a little tip on
On the
the
corner.
corner, like about right there.
Yeah.
And then you want me to do it?
Yeah, you do
I'm
it.
afraid to do it, Mom.
Oh,
You
got
do
to-
it.
Okay. Lord, Jesus. This is all we did.
Look at that.
And sometimes the cake would be so warm until it would just melt,
Uh-huh.
you know, together. And
Yeah.
anybody that is, know what I'm talking about, if they was at our restaurant and they got a slice of cake,
Uh-huh.
know exactly what's going on.
You right. They look good, them Mom. Yes, Lord. Yeah, baby. This gonna be some good eating, y'all.
Yeah, well,
Ain't nothing like getting your mama in your kitchen and you get a chance to just hang out. Oh, yes. Yeah, Mama, so it's right. So
Yeah.
now I can just get me a slice off
Yeah.
here. Do I need to make sure I'm good or
you're good.
I'm good?
Yes, you're good.
Oh, y'all, look at that. We used to have people come in the restaurant, they wanted the corner piece, you know, because it got the crust around there. That's it. Okay, Mama, here's your fork.
Okay.
You do the honors first. Yeah, we're gonna get you a little bitty slice.
Make one slap your mama.
I know, but I can't slap my mom. I get put out my house.
It's good.
Just the taste brings back so many memories.
Yeah.
All the years that we spent in the restaurant making these, every time I have a slice of it, I think about the good old days in Memphis at Neely's barbecue, where you made this wonderful cake for us. And you know, I love you so much.
Love you too.
And thank
Love
you
you
so
more.
much, Mom, for coming and making this cake. Your grandchildren and your other beautiful daughter, Miss Tamika.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to hide some. That's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to hide some from them because Aisha and Ariel will eat half of this. Tamika will be taking it to work and all of that, so I'm gonna take me a few slices and put it up. But you guys can make this cake now that you've seen the real queen make it right here in my kitchen. Thank you guys so much. Continue to support me and share this video with all your friends and family. And there's a lot more to come. Thanks so much. We'll see you soon. Me and Mom finna dig into the rest of this cake.
Thank y'all.